For those of you who don't know, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription service. For the premium box, you pay $35 per month, which is like $37.11 plus tax, I believe is the exact amount.
I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite.
Hey y'all, it's britneyschanel back with another BoxyCharm unboxing. Let's pause for the thumbnail. I don't need a face. This time we have, I think this is the premium. It came today. Yay! It is the Boxy premium. Oh, pause. Something fell out. Oh, it was the card. Let me get that. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription service. For the premium box, you pay $35 per month, which is like $37.11 plus tax, I believe is the exact amount. And you get, I believe it's 6 to 8 more luxurious items than the base box. That's what they say. So this month's theme is Harvest. And yeah, let's get into it. She's excited. Okay. So right on top, I have the purr. I never know if it's purr or is it pure. I think it's purr. Purr, like a cat, like purr, like purr. Okay, I don't know how to purr. But anyway, I think it's purr. It says Pour 4-in-1 Perfecting Powders Face Palette. And this retails for $32. It says this is a 4-in-1 palette featuring a stunning mix of bronzer. I think that's improper grammar, BoxyCharm, but okay. Mix of bronzer, highlighter, blush, and translucent setting powder. Arranged in a travel-friendly palette. Okay, I'm excited. Let's see what these shades are looking like. Y'all never have scissors, so I'm about to ruin this packaging. Which sucks because y'all know I'm saving stuff for my 100K giveaway. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share. Y'all cannot get this open. The struggle bus I want. Okay, there we go. I didn't even mess it up that bad. Ah! Okay, I don't know break it down now, y'all. Okay, well, she's cute. This is what the outside looks like. And, ooh, it's magnetic. I love a good, y'all hear that? I love a good magnetization, okay? And look at her. She's cute. Look at those textures. She doesn't have a scent or anything, so. No scent. Ooh, she's cute. Did y'all see how I beat this face on today? Okay. Y'all, I be so scared. I record, every time I do my makeup, I record my videos, but I'm so nervous that, you know, I'm no Jackie Aina, okay? I'm no, who do I love? Oh, why can't I think of his name? Makeup by, okay, everyone thinks that he's James, Manny MUA, okay? I love Manny. I'm no Nikki Tutorials, okay? So I'm no MUA, but I feel like I slay sometimes. Anyway, back to the topic at hand. This Purr 4-in-1 Skin Perfector retails for $32. I do like the shade. The shades, I feel like it's a good range. BoxyCharm. I don't know if these come in different shades, though, but I would imagine they would have to. But yeah, I think she's cute. Okay. Cute. That's from Purr. $32. Brittany, move it along. You're taking so long to tell people what you got. You take it so long. You take it so long. You take it so long. Let's see. Oh, I got something for Dose of Colors. Okay. I have the Dose of Colors Block Party Single Eyeshadow. Okay, so it's an eyeshadow. The packaging is super cute, uber cute. It says, I need space. And let's see what the color is hidden for it. And this retails for $20. Oh, interesting. I am going to have to swatch this because I don't know what this is supposed to show like. It's kind of like a deep midnight type of blue. Y'all know swatches don't really show anything, but there you go. Yeah, interesting. Okay, those are colors. Let me put that to the side. And what do we have next? I have the Grown Alchemist Detox Night Cream, which retails for $125. This advanced detoxifying night cream is formulated with a complex blend of peptides, a word I cannot pronounce, vitamins, hyaluronic acid, and essential omega fatty acids. They detox and regenerate the skin. Let's see what she looks like. Okay, so just nice, sleek black packaging. Okay, stop trying to focus on me. Okay, and this is 1.35 fluid ounces for 100, and I think it's at $25. That's a little steep. I don't know about that. Next up, I think this is my shorts item. I don't really get down with the jiggy like that with Smashbox, but I did select the Smashbox Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powder, which retails for $39. It says a weightless setting powder featuring a built-in powderizer that grinds the finest, freshest powder to set makeup. It's mattifying and it blurs the skin. That's what Smashbox claims it does. I love the packaging. I will say that it's nice and sturdy. You know, I use a lot of drugstore products. I feel like I do, but one thing I do not use is different. I literally only use Laura Mercier setting powder. I don't do any of them. I've tried a bunch, but it's just the best that works for me. Let me see if I can open this. Interesting. Twist for fresh. Okay, so it has this little thing. It says twist for fresh powder. Y'all see that there? The packaging is really cool. It says get fresh powder with every twist. Okay, I love the packaging. If nothing else, I really do love the packaging. Let's see. Lip Liner Duo. It says Real Hard Lip Liner Duo. Real hard. This retails for $25. It says line your lips with ease. This creamy formulation is infused with jojoba, seed oil, and shea butter. And it says more, but I'm going to leave it there. And y'all, everything be having this thing on it and I can't open it because of my nails. I just feel like I'm wasting y'all quality time. Y'all didn't come here to watch me struggle to get things out of packages. And I did you? Well, if you did, I appreciate you more. That means you love me for real, for real. Okay. Okay. Oh, it says be yourself, be real her. And the other one says I am confident. I love the messages. Come on. I am all about positivity and I live for a good message. Okay. Did y'all come here for the word today? Because if you do, I got one. Okay. If you need a word, comment down below and I'm going to give you everything that you need. Okay. But yeah, cute. There's like a 2 shades of brown, which is perfect because I typically line my lips with brown. So that works perfect for me. Last but hopefully not least, I'm not sure what this is. I got these cosmetics brushes. Lord, don't let Boxy have sent me some more brushes that's supposed to cost $1 million that don't work well. Oh no, these are only $25. That's fine. It says, take cleansing to the next level with this embossed brush designed for gentle exfoliation and effective deep pore cleansing. Plus, bring the spa experience home with a dual-sided silicone spatula that effortlessly and evenly distributes product across your face. Okay, I'm going to use this tonight, okay, when I do my little mask. I'm having me like just a self-care evening once I finish this video. Just taking care of myself. So that is everything that I got in this month's premium box. Let me find my phone, y'all. If y'all can see, I have makeup everywhere. I need to find my phone. Look, it's on my little selfie stick, you feel me? Because I was making a TikTok. Y'all know how I do. Now, where's the card? Lord, Brittany, get it together. Okay. So I'm going to get out my handy dandy calculator. And first up, we have the Grown Alchemist. This here. Which retails for $125. Okay. We have the Smashbox Setting Powder, which retails for $39. We have the Purr 4-in-1 Skincare, which retails for $32. Okay. We have the Cosmetics Brushes, which retail for $20. We have the Dose of Colors Eyeshadow, the single eyeshadow, which retails for $20. And then we have, where did I put that? Oh, the Real Her Liner Duo. That retails for $25. So my month's, this month's November 2020 premium box, the version that I got, which by the way was variation number 2, total retail value is $262. $61 because I accidentally pushed 33 instead of 32. So it's $261, which I feel like is pretty good. I feel like I got some really nice items. I don't know why I selected that Smashbox because I literally never try any of the setting powders that I get. I have like a bazillion that I need to try. So that for sure will be going in my giveaway. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell. We're almost there. We're claiming that 100K, okay? It's almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Thank y'all for stopping by. I love y'all. Thanks y'all for chit-chatting for me. We're, happy family. I love you. You love me. Barney, that whole rendition. I love you guys. Peace to the Middle East. You thought I was gone, but I'm back at it. Bye, y'all.